Hey, brother teacher here. I talked to you in some earlier videos about the benefits of turmeric and how turmeric should be a staple part of your everyday life, your diet, your regimen. Now, I'm going to give you uh, a recipe for a turmeric smoothie. Now, you can experiment, you can add some things and even remove some things if you like, but don't remove by all means the turmeric, which is the active ingredient we want to have in there, along with the curcumin that's in it. Okay, so this is the turmeric smoothie that I want to offer to you today, and you can make this at your leisure. I would say please include this on a regular basis, like every day, every other day. It's going to taste pretty good, a little earthy, the turmeric that is, but it can also be, I should say, watered down for some people's taste by adding some fruit to it or a little apple juice, maybe a quarter of a cup of apple juice along with the water. But here's the smoothie recipe that I want to give to you. Just please follow this concisely. Uh, for your turmeric smoothie, you're going to need or require a half a cup of water, a half a cup of fresh pineapple. You want a half a banana, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of ginger powder or ginger root. More specifically for me, I would use the root because I'm going to blend it up in my bullet processor. And you want 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and you want to blend that up real good. And it's going to taste, as I said before, a little pungent, a little earthy because of the turmeric for the most part. But understand this, comprehend this, ladies and gentlemen. I've said this before, I'm going to say it again. You have to realize that health does not necessarily fit your taste. It does not. Just because something tastes bland, earthy, uh, dull, not sweet as you're accustomed to, does not mean that it's not good for you. You need to think about the medicinal reasons that you're taking the particular drink. Why am I taking this? Am I taking it for my health? I mean, how many of you will go to the traditional doctor and they will prescribe some pills? You don't like taking pills, do you? A lot of times we mix them with jello or pudding or something or a glass of milk and we hurry up and down the pills just to get them down. Those are pills. You don't like that, right? But when you look at it from a natural standpoint, from nature's viewpoint, vantage point, and you say to yourself, what I am putting in my body is life. And I want to live. And I want to have a quality of life that's indicative of those things that I'm consuming, as opposed to those things that I'm consuming that are destroying me inwardly and ultimately taking my life. I mean, count up the cost. Isn't it worth it? For example, I hear people talking about garlic. When you mention garlic, oh, I can't stand the smell of it. You know, it tastes bad, it burns, or what have you. Garlic is one of nature's antibiotics, natural antibiotics. Garlic is good for you. I've been using garlic for years. Garlic is good for the blood flow. Garlic is a natural antibiotic, like I said. But people want to take a garlic pill or they want to swallow the clove as opposed to chew it up. You're cutting down the benefit of the item when you keep trying to alter it. If it's natural in its natural state, then you should take it just as it is so that you can receive the maximum benefit. But anyway, back on the turmeric smoothie. You can drink this as often as you like, once a day or a couple smoothies a day, just depends. But make sure, as I always say, that you have nutrition at the forefront of your day in terms of your diet or your diet regimen. Not snack foods all day, not snack foods in terms of cakes and pies and cookies and candy and ice cream, all these types of things, and potato chips and hamburgers and hot dogs. These are not appropriate as being your staple for life. You want to have real, whole food, organic foods in your diet. All right, I said all of this to you with and out of love. You take care. I will see you in the next video. So long.